banging cool points. And the drop head, make them drop dead, yeah. You ain't scared, you ain't scared, you ain't scared, yeah. Believe me, I'm out. You see me in action.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Ashley. I don't talk like that in person. I don't know why things come out when I'm doing my YouTube videos. Anyways, before we start this video, please like this video, subscribe to me. Today is a neutral look, so yeah, that's what people voted for. So let's just get right into it. And okay, I know I'm a whole mess over here, but it's all part of the process. So I did an Instagram poll on what kind of eyeshadow look I should do, and the options were colorful and neutral. And neutral won, so we're gonna do a neutral look today. And I'm excited. So this is like the pretty basic look. I don't like the way it looks on camera. It looks so much better in person, trust me. Why does my camera always do this to me? My camera does not do me good. Anyways, so we're gonna start, and we are using the Crown palette. It doesn't have a name, nothing, but this is how it looks. And then the Tarte palette, but I'm only using one shade out here, so it's not something that bad. Okay, so the first color I'm going in with is this one right here. The next color I'm going to be using is this darker shade right underneath it. I'm going to go back with that lighter brown shade and go over the top and blend. Now I'm going to go in with this darker brown shade right here. I'm going to really focus it on the outer edge. I'm going to grab this brush right here and pack in that brown because it's not the darkness I'd like it to be, or at the darkness I would like it to be. Okay, to me that looks fine. The reason why I'm going back in with this lighter shade right now that I'm about to go in with is because on this side, when I was doing my colors, all the colors came over here. That's not what I'm trying to do. I think it's really weird that when I do videos, my voice does this weird thing where as if I've been talking for a long time. Or I don't know if it's just because, in a sense, like I'm only talking to myself. It's weird. So I'm going in with the Tarte palette, and I'm going in with the shade S'more, which is just like, excuse me, a white like color. Would you say this is white? I don't know. And honestly, I'm not like making a cut crease or anything. I'm just going on my actual like where the line is for my cut crease. And that's basically it, guys. It's like a really basic look. I mean, and for my brow highlight, because I never show you guys my brow highlight, and I think that's important. So I'm gonna be going in with the same palette, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. It's like a white shimmery shade. I'm using this brush. I wonder if people really do care about brushes. Because honestly, someone I know it's like a famous YouTuber now, like obviously she's famous, but she once said that honestly it doesn't matter what brushes like I use, it's like all brushes that like work for you. I don't know if that makes sense. Like your brush depends on you. Like it's all preference. Because that's like all it really is. Like everything's preference. I don't like the way it's looking right now. It's like looking a little harsh. So my trusty blending brush. I need like new blending brushes, I feel. Because I've had these for a long time. Like this one was my OG blending brush. This has been with me since I started blending. It's like so great. It's a Soho brush, but you can't even see it, like the brand anymore. And I got it from Walgreens and it was just like in one package. Like this is it. And I was like, I saw it and I was like, oh, I want that blending brush. It's so fluffy. But then I used like this more like dense one. Before I did not know what dense meant. Like people, like YouTubers be like, oh, that brush is dense. And if you don't know what dense means, because if you're anything like me, like I'm smart, okay? It's just sometimes there's words I don't understand. So dense, all it means is just like compacted, like tightly compacted. Like that's all it means. Cause like look, this one's fluff. This one right here is fluffy, and this one's dense. I'm like having a whole ass conversation with you guys. Okay, so I will. Thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate it so much. Please again like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment anything you would like to see, or you could DM me. Sorry, I said that really weird. I think. On Instagram or at Instagram. All my socials are at Forever Ashley, and I will put them somewhere right here so you can see, and I will link them down below so you can press the link as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Wanna fly, fly, fly on it. Can I vibe, vibe, vibe on it? 5, 5, 5, 5 on it. Get live. All this jewelry, they gon' notice me.